Hello. There are many libraries which are used for controlling projects in the Simulink. First one is Control System Toolbox, which is about LTI systems. We have fuzzy logic. If we come down, we have neural network. Neural network, in addition of identifying and modeling the systems, can be used in controlling projects too. Then we have robust control toolbox and other toolboxes which you can use them in your projects. The reality is that the controlling projects are very interesting and can be applied easily. If you want to see a controlling example which has been simulated in Simulink, we can use MATLAB. This is a magnetic ball system and you can find it in MATLAB Hill and use it in case of need. As you can see, a PID controller has been used in it. Okay, my friends, thank you for being with us. I will have you next episode soon. Goodbye.